Good day. We are Glorifiers and we are singing in this group, the Glorifiers, for last more than 11 years. We are singing praises of God. And the main purpose of our singing is not to reveal the talents God has given us for our greater glory, it's to sing for His glory and magnify His name. And today we got this opportunity to sing for this Mass at Basilica here. And it is a great honor to sing for our greatest saint, who is the Sahib, Saint Francis Xavier. And with heart filled with joy, we are come here with short practice because we are not together now. At least I am not with them most of the time. And they willingly came forward to sing this for this Mass, to animate this Mass with our singing. First of all, we thank God for this beautiful talent God has given us. It is the common denominator that put us together, unify us, to come together, to learn new and new hymns and to glorify God. Secondly, we thank for the gift He has given us to sing and glorify Him, and for the lively community life that we have every time when we meet. There are ups and downs here and there, but overall we are always together, united, praying for each other. This is what I had to share, and I take great pleasure in training this small choir to sing for His greater glory.